In this video we're going to have a look at constructing a triangle where you have been given 3 of the lengths and none of the angles. So this is what we sometimes refer to as constructing a triangle SSS, so side, side, side. So it says shown below is a triangle that has not been drawn accurately. Okay? Accurately construct the triangle in the space below. Now when they use the word construct, that means you are going to be having to use things like a ruler, a compass, or a protractor. Okay, and they expect you to use those types of equipment in these type of questions. If you don't, then you don't get the marks in the exam. It's simple. So the first thing we're going to do with most of the triangles that we construct is that we are going to draw in the base of 8 centimeters. So take out a ruler and place it down on your paper, and you're going to need to leave some room because we need to be able to put the top part of this triangle in. So you're going to take out your pencil and your ruler and you are going to measure 8 centimeters along. So from 0 to 8, that's easy. Nobody should really get that bit wrong. Okay, then we need to have 2 other sides that are 6 and 7. So what they're expecting you to do is take out a ruler and take out a compass. And what they first thing, make sure that the pencil and the tip of the compass are in line, and then you need to open out your compass. Now the first side that I'm going to deal with is this one that's 6 centimeters. So I'm going to open up my compass to 6 centimeters. Now, like before with all construction questions, you have to be really exact. Okay, so that's open to 6 centimeters. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to place my compass down without changing how wide it is on the end of my line, and I'm going to draw, is that on the end of my line? Yep, I'm going to draw an arc. And the examiner wants to see these construction lines. So from this point to the arc, it should be, if you measured it at any point, it should be 6 centimeters because that's what we're trying to do. Okay? Then I'm going to deal with the other side. So again, we take out our ruler, we take out our compass, but this side, on this side it needs to be 7, so I'm going to open up my compass to 7 centimeters, like so, again being exact. And then I'm going to take the tip of my compass and put it down on the end of my line, and then I'm going to draw another arc. And what you are wanting to do is make sure that these arcs intersect, and where they intersect is where you need to fill in your triangle. So this forms the top of your triangle here. So you draw a line from there to the end of your original line here, and then on the other side draw from here to the intersection to the end of your original line here, and then just double check. So this should be 6 centimeters in length, this one should be 7 centimeters in length, and the first one that you drew should be 8, which they are. And then just to finish up, you don't have to, but I'm going to draw them in, write them in, put the values around the outside. Now it's not necessary to rub out those construction lines because the examiner is actually looking for those construction lines.